Friday. See them? Ooh, a lot of stuff. Buy some stuff. Souvenir for Brian Linda.
Go with the flow.
Yeah. Doggy. Nice. 3 for 100. Yeah.
Familia busca líneas a Plaza de las Súplicas.
Yeah, it's a sugar cane one. Is it good?
Not sure though. Can read.
It's alright.
Cái con đó hồi nãy có 350 cái đó luôn nè.
Seafood.
Buenos días, ¿alguna sombrilla?
Yes,
Costa Coffee.
right there. What do you want? Crocs. That's it? That's a... Yeah. Where are we going next?
Keep going. We go into the market.
God, that's a big post office. Salada. Hỏi nên tôi tí ao gì tí. Bên đây.
Ơi, mà bạn đấy ai mà man.
Bên cạnh bên này đấy.
Cạnh nước man man bao nó cứ chê chứ.
Yeah, xã đồng trói, vừa kia khơi đồng trói vừa. This is why it's nice to have. They just read through. Sometimes you miss something. Oh my God. There's a lot of people. Yeah. It's like that.
Chi chốt bên bài.
Yeah.
Cái ai cái đài check.
Alright. Oh wow. It's crazy. Portugal, all the building like that, they'll tie in, and it's expensive to do that.
Cho luôn sân nguồn anh.
It's kind of nice.
Te arreglamos tu sistema de carga de tu celular
You don't
portable,
see a lot of
todas
tourists here.
nuestras reparaciones.
Oh, cute. Wait. Still buy that for Brian. San Francisco. Way far ahead of us. Sorry. Oh, this wrestling thing. Wow. The fish market. Wow. It's interesting. Look at the clam. Chicken. Quail eggs. Oh wow. I don't know, like that's goose. Scorpion. You want to try it?
You want a cricket and scorpion? They're here.
Yeah, let's try it.
Scorpion and cricket.
God dang.
¿Qué le voy a dar, amigos? Ahí a lo mejor poder
Es un embutido jamón.
We should try some scorpion and cricket. I tried one year. What's this place called?
Market.
Huh?
Market.
Market, that's it?
I don't have internet.
Oh, yeah, they kept it in the same way.
Look at this one.
What is that? Is it that
Interesting.
ketchup?
Yeah, we tried one of this before. It's interesting.
Good.
Oh, look at the scorpion. Holy shit.
Mango, chắc xì ra mà.
Mariscos, aguachines, ceviches, tacos,
Mango right here. Eh?
Mango steam. Em hỏi thử không?
So mom, how man? 300, 300. 300, that's about, yeah. What the heck? Look at that. What's cricket? It was you. Oh, look at this. Look at that.
I'll be sure.
That thing.
Diga tu mamá. You can get a bigger one. Yeah, and he'll grow really quick into it. Yeah. Like in like 6 months he'll be in the. It's better to get bigger than smaller.
pan cocido te cocino el huevo. Yo pongo a hervir el agua y cuando ya lo estoy hirviendo echo el huevo con todo el
Sure. Yeah.
đây là đậu. No one like David.
All kinds of things.
Ay, no vas a tener đậu nữa.
Oh.
We stuck in here.
Oh, you get out.
Pero no, mira, no está aquí la Pérez, está